Hey folks, it's Jackie, the Hot Tub Lady, and hey, welcome back to my channel. I'm super glad you're here, and if you're finding this information helpful, please give me a thumbs up, and by all means, if you can hit the subscribe button, it's really, really helpful, and we appreciate it. So, it's day number 5 of the 8-day challenge, and I started the day really early today, got up in hot tub, it was amazing, didn't want to get up. Not gonna lie, I didn't want to get up this morning, but got up really early because I had a lot to do today. Super busy day today. But still didn't get on the scale. But I did measure my waist and my hips, and I'm down 6 inches between the two of them. So in 5 days, 6 inches. I'll take it. I'll definitely take it. So that's definitely going on there. I had a lot of energy last night. I left work a little bit early yesterday because the weather was really bad and I wanted to get home in time. And I had a ton of energy. Actually worked out, lifted weights. I mean, did the whole, this. And I did about 50 squats and with some weights. And I tell you what, people, that global blend stuff, I mean, usually when I do squats, my knees go crack, 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 crack. It didn't pop once, not once that whole time, and I've only been taking that stuff for 5 days. Actually, I missed a day, so actually 4 days. So I can tell you I feel a ton better. I wish I could look in the mirror and see huge results, but I'll take some pictures here at the end of this and we can compare them. But yeah, so far so good. It's day 5. It's a little later than I normally shoot my videos, but I feel good. I just took my Accelerate and drank my trim stick and feeling really, really good. Inches are down. Last time I weighed myself, I was down 6 pounds. We'll see, but again, that was on 2 different scales, so we'll see how that ends up working out. But I feel really good. Eating really healthy, tons of vegetables. Ate like a whole bag of Brussels sprouts here a few minutes ago. Those are actually really good. If you buy the steamable, throw them in the microwave for a few minutes. Works fantastic. I did that in a cafeteria because I didn't have time to pack a lunch today, but that was a really easy. I'm actually super satiated, so I'm feeling pretty good. I actually need to drink another shake right now, but I'm just not hungry. Just don't have any desire to eat or drink anything at the moment. So energy level's good. I feel good. Again, if you guys are seeing it, that means I did hit my goals. But again, we're day 5 today, and I will check back in again with you tomorrow. And just remember, keep making life epic. And give me a thumbs up if you got a second.